Folks, you guys ever think about a splash guard mat? This is a 30-inch one. Goes across the farm sink. Has a hole in it. It's split, so it goes over your sink faucet. Okay, it's got a nice little drain. It's tilted this way, so if you have anything there that you want to drain, it's great for mugs. Okay, you want to take your little mug here. Here's my little Cuda mug. If you're only one person at home, just want to put a couple cups there, you can. There's your little soap dispensers. And like I said, let your hands, you come over here. The water drips. It'll find its way and it'll dry up. Okay? It's a great item. Get it. Got mine on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Ciao.